Building your custom home or remodeling your existing home significantly impacts the life of you and your family. Alair Homes Orlando is a weekly show about the custom home building process, where we give you insight into construction, design and architectural trends, remodeling tips, and more. Basically, we lift the curtain and show you the magic in building a luxury custom home. Build on your own lot or let our real estate partner help you find it. Design your own floor plan, renovation, or work with our architects to capture your vision. Choose your finishes or let us assist in bringing an interior designer in to make your dreams a reality. We're not afraid to break the rules when building your custom home. If you can dream it, we can build it. Let us show you how. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss a single episode. I'm Kennerly with Alair Homes Orlando. Living better starts here.